massive. Yeah, massive. You don't know, it's another day. Still in the vibe, still in the goodness and blessing same way. With the great fighter Randy Brown. It's another day. And today we are going up a Blue Mountain. We are going up in the hills, bro. We'll do probably a little bit of hiking and then, you know, probably go to a river until just have a different vibe, a different energy. You understand? Warrior there, same way.
I run go up and I run a boat.
I see.
Run go river.
Probably run a boat, bunch of sitting, bro. So it's just an energy.
Vibes, you know?
You see me? So right now we are actually on Hope Road. All I massively remember the road here. Because I walk from Half a Tree to Papine. So we're head up at Papine side right now. To link up with, what's the name of your virgin again? Kyle?
Kyle Mighty. Mighty Chin.
That is it. No joke, no doubt.
Big one of MMA scene in JA, you know, so one of the pioneers, so big up Kyle.
Crazy. So we're there on the stay tuned. So it's another day and we just hold some vibes here around the day. Training. Yeah, look at fun, look at training, look at everything, you see it? So be able to kind gestures to so a crazy thing are going on. We just have fun, we drive go up Papine and now link up with the mighty Kyle. And let's see what happens. Mad thing, let's go.
A child who is tired of doing chores throws a tantrum and without thinking asks a genie to wish them away in order to have a carefree life. Their disappearance somehow results in the non-existence of life and her family, which makes her sad and lonely. This is a book, I Hate Doing Chores, from Jamaican author Nicholas Somerville, and this is definitely one of my favorite books so far to read to my toddler. I love the beautiful and vibrant pictures. Definitely what I love most of all is that my daughter can see a little girl in this book that looks just like her. Dark skin, kinky hair, so it makes me feel good to let her read this book. There are also activities in the back, so when they're ready you can sit with them and do the activities with them. Yeah, so yeah, she wants her book now, so it's available on Amazon for $8.99. Please grab your copy, you won't regret it.
So we actually reached Papine Square. Yeah. Papine. You take the close up. So, you know, big up to all of the Jamaican massive them. All of the you take big for them. I don't know. Maybe silly cough another day. Okay. So Randy them I said them a feel for your jelly. When it's on a feel for some jelly. Which side of the one? No see no jelly one?
Let's walk. Oh yeah, look.
This is U-Tech, bro. U-Tech across the road. Oh, that's the direction. Yeah, U-Tech right there. Let's go. Let's find out. Come in. Let's go. Yeah, so we walk actually in a Papine and we're going to the market side here. We can get a jelly, some coconut as we wait on the general. Look good. Papine. Yeah. Find something. Fine. Fine it. Yo, you know one of the things that I say about Papine is Papine like is the most expensive market in Jamaica. Yeah. Wanna say, is that true? Papine is the most expensive market in Jamaica. Damn. You order already, bro? To find out. General. How the jelly left? Come on, team, let's go. Alright. Yeah, my teacher, blessed, respect.
Oh yeah, come here, can you have all that food, sir?
Yeah, Papa, to see him over there, see your favorite thing over there, someone?
Yeah.
Papa, what you mean? Yeah, so my teacher, I know we always spread the word see way. So this guy probably don't know, he's Randy Brown. Jamaica baddest UFC fighter right now. The big man in the thing. So man in Jamaica right now, so we just go and explore and try. Make sure some name spreading in Jamaica same speed. Just so all like locals them pretty much never really heard about him. If you never hear about him, you see me teacher? Yeah, great fighter.
Fighter, boxing, fighter,
Kickboxing, more deadly. Yeah.
So, you could have given me a fight?
No,
It's an ask.
yeah, him could have give a fight, but me not think you could have give him a fight.
I'm not fighting me on that one.
You know, man,
But that same thing.
I'm show you. I'm show you. I'm show you what I mean. I'm not Mike Tyson.
You can't feel me, man. Natural fight like we don't have a rule in our fight. You kick, you chop,
Yeah.
everything.
That is more like him. That is more like him. Just not be kicking at the balls and the place there. I always say I put that in there to everything.
You know, so fight,
But you don't say you don't win same way.
fighting on the rule.
Yeah,
Like this fighting,
it a rough beat you. Bigger one of that to hear, do one more.
When we this take out his limbs.
This guy wanna fight with him toe dislocated, broke out and everything and still win.
Well,
Imagine fighting with that level of pain. Crazy, bro.
can't afford to lose.
Can't afford to lose.
When you see your opponent and not acting, you have him away. You can't make him get you back.
I see
That
it.
is it. No
I know that
joke
Randy.
thing.
He did with the toe after.
Yeah, man.
He actually used one hand foot and push it back the other toe.
Select it in back.
Yeah, man.
And continue
Already
to fight.
again. Still win.
See that? Fighter squeeze the man. You're running the match yet.
We get someone start for the air.
Sarable.
Open it.
I can't eat that again, bro. Eat too much.
Yes, I get a walk like that. I know what that.
Brother, you left Jamaica too long. Me, we live in a country here, brother. I see them there, we can't eat them. We live in a tree, bro.
Yeah.
Where they are grow up, yeah. Live in a tree. All Jamaican apple and anything, they have a tree right outside of my door.
But there's levels of Jamaican apple still. You have Jamaican apple, you have Jamaican apple in the bush.
Anything you have too much, man. You come that time, you boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, Anglic, brother. Not even your stomach now want it.
I'm there as an uncle, I'll keep me going first now.
Aye. See
Yeah.
him so.
That's how the body work, man.
Nothing now.
No, me take a walk over Jellyman. So
Just take me up. Nothing
Pause.
now. I'm gonna say, if you're over there, I'm gonna take a pine, grape, banana.
Yeah.
Can't eat that, bro. And some man come and see all the planting them like this and beat down the whole of them.
That's why I mean plan like, just feel like banana.
See? Do that
You
too.
can't do it. Yeah, you know me do me shake them. Me make banana shake smoothie them. No banana skin nice smoothie no.
See there?
Him judge me. Him judge me for it.
Yeah, manage that. Where show them, my teacher?
Him don't know me like that.
Yeah, great. What the deal?
But let me tell you something.
That man, nah, listen, man, no joke, no doing. Refreshing, bro. Oh, God. So we get the right energy to start the day, bro. Yeah. That is one of the things why you have to love with Jamaica. You can actually just move around and just find everything that you want. You know what I mean? From jelly coconut to fruits, banana, everywhere. And there's always a small market somewhere. Something happening, something selling, no joke, no doubt. You see me? Yeah, man. Let's go. I'll go up in the hills, Blue Mountains, get some electrolytes and yeah. Might I yeah, foreigner dog, gonna enjoy it. Yeah. Randy, almost long time you know eat a star apple. Long time.
Remember, cross the road we have a tree and my grand.
I said so that jackfruit. I say yo, we go for that jackfruit tree in our yard. I think you got dash out 2 more, man. Pick up yourself, the teacher. Why Jamaica is just a different energy.
Alright. 'Cause 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 'cause
Well, Jamaica is just a different energy, different vibe every single day. Yo, when me telling us Blue Mountain is beautiful, like we never there, nowhere yet in a Blue Mountains, but we decide to stop right at this spot, right? You understand? Smiles. What's the name? What's the name of the bar? What's the name? What's that? Smiles what?
Smile
D Kid.
headquarter.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Alright, I don't know. Nice little spot to actually stop here, like heading up to Blue Mountain. But
Yeah, man, when they coming down back.
let me show you something, yo. Let me show you something. Look at this. How beautiful is that? Look at that. You see the entire Kingston, Portmore, and all of these places from here. Beautiful. So, we're actually going up on top of Blue Mountains, you know, get some more shots, get our energy.
Yeah, that is it.
I want nothing more, my brother.
Yeah.
That is it. Nice.
My drink is white rum. Righteous unity medicine. But enough man I know say the righteous unity medicine.
R-U-M.
R-U-M. Righteous unity medicine.
There was a rum.
Yes man, give thanks man.
Shot of white.
Yes man.
You can give me a shot of
A
white.
special man.
Yes.
Special.
Special
And the
white.
meaning.
Or you want a special?
Yeah man, the meaning of Bible. You don't know the meaning of the Bible. P-I-B-L-E. It means basic instruction before leaving earth.
Oh,
Okay, that's something that all of us must know, so we all have to read
Yeah.
the scripture to know what take place from the beginning up to today going on. And the thing is this then fight about land. You know what I say? Land them a fight for you, know, my brother.
what are we going to run leave, eh?
You see me I say, and the whole of we are going to die leave it. But I say my general,
Yeah.
so I could drink up a righteous medicine and I could go and read up with basic instruction before leaving earth.
You say Bible mean again?
Basic instruction before leaving earth.
That is it.
Write it down. B-I-B-L-E.
And the meaning for rum?
R-U-M is the righteous unity medicine.
That is
is
it.
it.
And that's how you feel, pan.
Oh gosh, man, I look forward. And I am 65 years of age.
65.
Yeah, and I am smoking ganja from me at 7 years of age and look for me. And every month, we take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, the Paragon coconut oil, and eat breadcrumbs and clean out the nicotine off my
Why
eye.
not and give me rum, man?
Oh, okay. Bless you, man.
Righteous unity medicine.
Rastafari, yes,
Yeah,
sir.
they are.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
That's
man.
it, man.
Outside.
My father.
Yeah, man. My name is Jeff Aloysius Steele. I born and grew here.
Why, the
Yeah, man.
Aloysius by your name
Yeah,
just
man.
change everything.
Hey, man.
Wow,
Sir
Halloween.
Aloysius.
Last week, Saturday was the 2nd of March, was my earth strong, you know.
Okay,
65
blessings.
years of age, getting 3 kids and 2 past off. The last boy born 1984.
Outside. Blessings, man.
Straight.
Respect my brother.
Okay, but mountain here keep it so high.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. We're moving on. Aloysius. Man, take bad. We're outside. I'll go up on the hills.
I was so far back now.
Like the Kingston, the Real, Newcastle, Halloween.
Yeah, all the way up. We're not going all the way up. Strawberry.
Yeah, we're moving along massive. Just enjoy the view, the beautiful scenery. Jamaica just an incredible paradise, yo. Look good. No joke, no doubt.
Chicken foot soup.
Crazy, let's go. Yeah, so right now we're up in a garden town. You know what I mean? What that here name again?
Sugarloaf Hill.
Sugarloaf Hill.
Yeah.
Yeah, so right now we're there in the
Best
Sugarloaf.
pineapple. Best pineapple come from around us.
Damn. So, you know, we actually go up at the river right now. You know, we have Randy. Everybody, yeah man, catch that on camera. Yeah, he want him pictures them. So massive pineapple, sugar loaf hill, right?
Yeah.
Mad thing. So it's like a epic a little walk. Yeah, so to get here, when you reach Garden Town, you go straight across. You don't turn the right, you just go straight across, drive past Miss Lou statue and just forward straight. And this is where you be. You know what I mean? It's crazy, it's great. So we got the river. Let's take a look. You see me? Yeah. One nice. Up here full of parking today, boy.
Yeah, man, right outside the parking spot right now is scary. So like some four-wheel vehicle can just go.
Wow, go on. Blessed, blessed, blessed.
Where you call the mongrel them again?
Eh?
Who call the mongrel them again?
Right.
So like you go
I like it, because wish me in this side of one.
second it sound like you go and good.
And get a good bridge or so, though.
Man, I told them to see.
Yeah? So what them? Greetings, 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 greetings.
It's before.
Blessed, blessed. Yeah, mad thing.
Martial artist, you know. Respect.
Respect, respect.
Look at one. What's up? One more time. Yeah, man, slowly.
Yeah! That's it.
Yeah.
Cute. How old is she?
One.
She reluctant, she said,
Yeah, but from daddy good with him, you know what?
Good, alright.
Yeah.
Good.
You're good, though.
Yeah, man, good.
Take on the hill, you know?
Yeah, man.
So we're up in a garden town, up in the hills, you see me? Yeah. That 4-wheel can go up there. So it's actually a good journey up. So we're gonna walk it. If you have a 4-wheel drive, you probably can do the whole stretch. But we park down at the hill foot. You see me? And we're gonna take on the climb. What you mean? Let's go. Scenery is like everything right now. Shoot all a mad music video on the rock there. Yeah, man. Ready? Let's wait upon the rest of them for ready up, you know? We can do it. Beautiful. What them a debate, but yo, they always a debate. When a debate and now. What debate, boy? Yeah.
You're right, you do it. You say no, you do it now.
And the 200 down there, you do it. Alright, let's go.
It's kind of steep still.
Yeah. All of them rock can make it more.
Them done do the construction up by the bridge? We ain't finished. Oh. It's just the drive road. That's a car drive up here.
Yeah. It's slippery though. It's a Wrangler.
Dirt bike, more bring up there, 4-wheel.
What?
I'm up all of that road there. Nothing.
Like no.
That can drive good, right? Right.
Well, I'm never sure. How am I going to do that video? If video come down, I'm going to do it in some parts.
Yeah.
Like, man.
Oh yeah.
Wow. What a hike. There's so much nice little spot.
You know Kevin? Wrestling coach Kevin, man. Kevin Wallace. Wallace Kevin. He's on the next side.
If they come to Mexico with the other guy?
I'll call and them on the car. We can call. And the link to that. The guy will do the back. Well, wrestling, but yeah.
Oh, it's a step that like somebody lives up that side.
Oh, these are steps?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, watch out. See the house here.
You see yours up there? Yeah, steep. Yeah, see your house there?
Hey, this is when man build house up them part there. Brother.
It's crazy. Road them want to finish sort out though.
Yes. The rain. Rain just right here, so then just get over.
Tarzan, go on. No, Tarzan no use that, brother. Where are you? Where are you? Animals, brother. Ah, even better. Yeah, man. Pan height. Make sure that you fall like how you go up. See my bones are come down.
Just come down on a vine here. Brother, when the man have build house, you know, walk the brown cement block there, and walk every piece.
Every piece.
See on the next side there, on Sugarloaf side there. Walk every piece, everything you have.
Everything you have
You
here.
go up there, house up there.
Stone,
Concrete house
sand,
there.
everything.
Remember Sage Point? Sage. And the man only put his top up. Right,
Randy,
to the square.
chatting.
Tarzan.
Think I pop it pop now. Man, no, it's not shot. That's your Instagram and saying your shirt back, no?
Something real quick, right?
Yeah, man,
I
I'll
want a
get
picture in
you.
there something, right? But I want to show you something. You see? When I was growing up, I was up, right? Something like this, believe it or not, but a board. Just like this. One bed, me and my mother.
True.
Alone, just this, you know it. You
Yeah,
see
Joe.
it on that? Just this,
Yeah.
right? When I go up there to see me, I show them. We'll come see this as a caption on, right? Imagine you come, you see something like this, you're like, alright, this is a living right.
Yeah.
That's how it was for you as little youth, you know? Borders. The only thing this was all board. You know what I mean? You just go in there, you have a little bed, you close them on the ground.
Yes.
Pack it up with a whole heap of sheet and close to our bed that sleep in there, you know? So,
Right, about take Fred.
yeah, right.
Original
But that's
capture
what we
land.
have, mad thing. The shit like this always remind me of that in time, you know? See how far away I come from.
Want to tell you? Look like a somebody ends this.
Somebody ends this here because people come on and shop.
A shop.
A shop.
Yeah, so people cook this in the stove. You know? This is a stove. I'm going to show you all the stove. This is a stove right here. Put your coal in there and all that. Makeshift stove.
Tire rim.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Let's do it. Massive. And that one the drop off. Where's a couple more rain? And that one the drop off. Yeah. That looks so to me.
The excavator will put that one in. He don't penetrate, cut off that and it actually bounce it regular and say strong. Yeah, and it does.
Can't run past it, yeah.
Yo, this shit balls. They run it down. A solid rock this sleep upon them.
Oh yeah, we think so. I thought it's like a chichi. No, we're not even gonna look at that right now.
Intrusive thoughts, eh?
Yeah, we say me not so lucky.
I'm that lucky, but I'm just not gonna test it. You lucky. Nah, test my luck, yeah.
Now open a reach too quick.
Oh, it's a church, so we're coming up on a church right now. This is a community church.
Man, church up there. But this can give people some real good exercise, man. Yeah, bro.
So when you walk in, so you go into alleyway,
And now,
here
a church.
they height.
One thing about Jamaica, they don't have a church.
Everywhere.
Alright.
Yes. Yeah, my teacher. Sure. Mad. How much jog can you reach now?
What dragon you reach now, guys?
Yeah, come to Dragon there first. Hey, I'm a martial artist. I drink Dragon.
Mad thing. So what's further up?
The grind time and prime time is up. Yeah, so them up here and something like this, but them set it up.
Oh. How far from here, sir?
More bigger than right here. So right here is good, shallow, rough, it's not the river on the far leaves like that.
So how much further?
We are stop us a little bit, but Kyle, we go for the next one.
Yeah, we don't want view it.
Yeah, do.
No, we don't want, we just view it and forward.
Too far? No, man, I just look for the now then.
Yeah. Yeah, Warren. Warren. So forward, bro. Come here now.
Come back here, coming back here.
Well, see, that he could have do that when we come back here, bro.
Just love it, man. That's how I'm yeah, the water low right now. Usually the water would have come out some more. And when the water high, you will jump off at the top here.
Yeah.
That's how usually the dive from the water well low.
So you jump off and swim and them get dive here? Yeah.
This one you jump off from the top.
Man, them jump from this stone.
Right, up at this stone.
Right. Jump from this stone all the way in.
Even dive from up here.
Oh.
Right.
Man. Water look mad clean though.
We supply the lower part of St. Andrew and Kingston.
And it always a flow.
Always up more. The years about 19 years now. Yeah, because it's coming from Portland.
Yeah.
So the same kind of like natural spring water them get up here. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Man.
And the river here usually bigger than this. Yeah. And water commission.
Oh. Cut the river and divert to my water.
Yeah, that's why. I wonder if that's why it's so low.
Yeah.
That's how it
And them walking through. Yeah, man. The plastic everywhere.
Plastic that trouble, you know.
No, man. The ending of the month here, we have a clean, you know. We are clean from actually up at Hopewell, up at see the hotel.
Yeah.
We're right back down to Ganton School.
Mad thing.
When we have to go right to fight that.
All of them shopper lock up there now. Some to them here shopper.
Am I work this, you know?
Yeah, so
Poor people come here and I say anything they want.
Me willing to walk. Want to see it.
Less than 2 minutes from here to river.
Yeah, man. So, I sent some people. So, what's your name, really?
Alright, my name is Tema Mercy, but
Tema.
everybody call me the Grand Time, Prime Time Boss, or one dad.
So, like, person want to come up here and get a nice little tour and feel safe and thing, who them ask her?
Me, them out.
You have a
So
number you want to give them, can call you and say, yo, but I want to come here with a couple people, you know.
Yeah, man,
And
777 50 68.
So, 777 50 68. Prime time.
TikTok, any social media.
You're up on TikTok too?
Any social media, man.
Ah, my teacher.
Grime time,
Man.
prime time boss, man.
Grime time, prime time boss. Yeah. Up here, so I eat. I feel like up here, so we're going to stay. And then go to, well, the falls nice because I don't really see falls up here, so.
Yeah, but watch it. How far as the room on that side, but you can't see the unless you go around.
Go around, true. As in, through that side there.
VIP, yeah. Or this are the VIP settings. Local bar and kitchen.
Man,
Yes, so all of the nice kitchen.
this is cool. So it's a real party, can keep us on everything. No joke, no doubt. Look good.
Who your artists come and say? Who your upper class people, right?
Nice. So massive as you can see. Prime time boss, just check him, man. And forward up on the ground. Yeah, I like when you back up the water just a little bit so you get a little more pool section, you know? Nice. Well, I'm giving a closer little look. And then we'll come back up. We're going to make a little walk. So, you know, you have little steps them. Little step them where come down pan. Some little seating and thing. The tabletops. Current there. If you want to charge your phone, see one plug there. Yeah. Nice little tabletop so you can eat and drink. If you look at makeshift things, them same way. Warning, no dumping allowed. Man. You look at seats and things. This is a nice getaway though. Whoa. Man. Definitely a chuck off in this. Yeah, man. Marty, you know me, I fly the drone, I can see. And the shade is just amazing. The shade. Oh, there's a step right there, so too. A step right there, so you can actually go. You want to see further around, so. And it's not slippery. Because them have sand and things on it. So. Nice. Beautiful. What? Instead of this for people walking. Oh, and they lock it with a chain too. Around the stone. So it make it safe. Huh? You can walk. Let's see what's going on. Martin. Yeah. Look good. Couple of the ends. Can come camp and cook. All a while. Oh wow! Look at that. See all crayfish in there. Sure, me can go up there, so you see what around there, so you can see if we can try that. I'm in a nice sliding thing today, no. So it's a devil, no bother with the foolish. Let me just go up. Rockstone, can I make it? See? Man. These things. And the slippers me have on, you know, so take skills, you know. Mad, make it. Look what job me just walk. Right, that's how me just walk. Skills. And my slippers. Whoa, look on this. Can do a slide. Beautiful. Wow. Alright, that's so far I'm gonna go. So you can watch the drone shot. Let's see. Crazy. Trouble now if you go down on this, you know. See? Woo! No sliding, you know. A mad thing. Yeah. So now we are going to enjoy the place, and thing. It's amazing. It's amazing. Randy, I hope you want to go, man. Woo. You got the shop yet? Oh, you gone up there. Me want to see how far. Oh, Roxton, how much reach already? See him there?
How you feel?
Eh?
You good?
Great. Love it.
Hold on. Watch out.
I realize that.
What you want?
Yeah, let me realize. Alright, up here, go.
Yo, I'll pat round here in a dog.
Everything. Great latrine. Yeah, man.
See you walk room on the other side.
Yeah, man. Walk around there, man. I will shop them, I go. I walk, see if I can see shop. At least give them an idea. And see where shop there. Yeah, man, I found. I quick and go there. That way there. Just make them have an idea. Say, shop and thing there, isn't it? No open. Oh, no open today.
She got a shop.
Martin.
Bathroom, one step to
Oh, one set up a bathroom and so. That is it. Yo, you have to have some serious muscle in your foot, you know that. Oh. People have to go up this, I don't know what I say. Yeah. Feel like me in a gym, bro. Oh, you get a dragon to yourself. So, I will for tourists gonna see this and want to forward, you see me? Can just link you. Yeah, look at vibe. Manners, good evening. Blessed. Yeah. Can see. Oh yeah? It's a nice to go, yeah? Like a little half-grid spot. Yeah, bro.
Why not DJ?
Yeah, bro.
The man had the bad selector in up on the river.
Oh yeah? Respect my teacher, mad thing, man. Oh, last night, Lord, man. How we made the last night? You play last night?
No, not on the last night. On the river over there, so.
Oh, mad thing. How when I live this time on the river? Sunday. Oh, there's a social shop there. And we don't pan it, don't so. A Jamaica walk by, you see me, my teacher. Just a pass through to bridge, you know. Check out some of my spot them. The people them see. Some place where they never see. I mean, Mama, walk on. I see shop here. See, I'm not even easy. I'm not even 2 minute walk. Bro. I drink a dragon? Yeah. See the whole heap of things sell at shop. See me? It's like a supermarket. I mean. Yeah. We got water and a dragon them teacher.
Why is that different?
Yeah, hot. Yeah, if once in a cool. Alright, how much are total let me teacher?
Estina.
Long time ago. Yeah.
Estina.
Yeah. See that, bro? Respect, see? That is it. Can see, say, it's like a mini community up on your side there, bro. Nice, okay, energy. It's a little big. Yeah.
Run on the side of the mountain industry.
Mad. I go down.
On the other side, run up this sugar loaf.
See.
It's all
Sugar loaf, yeah.
It's sweet pine there.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
Sugar loaf fine.
Originate from sugar loaf fine.
A mad thing, man.
No, say some of that.
So it's gonna rainfall in place, not on river run through, so.
Water run out just so you get none of that.
Yeah. Oh, was on skirt.
Yeah, look at road water.
No joke. So yeah, massive, if you don't want forward, you understand, make sure say, on a forward to your place, you see G number and you can call him, come out with a group and thing and make them know they can prepare for you. Or if you don't want some food for cook, or all of them little thing, they do music for go and play same way. You don't know, just link up with G man and sort out a little package. You see me? I mean, that is it. So as you can see from which part, we down this at the river, and even far if you just come up at the shop, and if you smoke, you want to go burn to smoke to a cigarette to whatever, and hold back of energy same way. If you feel like you want to get sitting there to eat, shop there, like a mini supermarket. You see me? It's a whole community, it's a vibe. Hope you're cool and nice. You see me? Some more time if people not showing you these things and you don't know. So, no business no reach his side, so I them thing that you me teacher blessed. Yeah man. So I love the river when I look on so far. Right now I can't wait to put on them thing here and boost back our energy and easy back. You see me? Yeah man. Orient freestyle, big up yourself, my teacher, go and do the work, you understand? Jason and Jane, big up on yourself. Tina Lee, big up on yourself. You understand? NW, big up yourself. You see me? Donovan, blessings and respect, my teacher. Yeah. You don't know. Good vibes, K, big up yourself. Joel in the kitchen. Ozzy video tours, big up yourself, my brother. You don't know. I know we're there with Road Boy Studio. Now subscribe to them channel, you hear me shout out, is it? No joke, no doubt. Fall down back on the other one a little bit. And think, I love up here though. Yeah, up a more subtle and, you see me? Yeah man. No joke thing. Down there so. So all I massive them we are watching and not subscribe yet, I don't know now wait pan. You don't know we are aiming for million subscribers for December and we are walk feet, you understand? No joke. Yeah man. So I say same yeah. Prime time. They can link him up. When I see number on the screen in the description so they can give him a shout. Can tell you how the thing go. So know make you know if you reach up here so. And I say for their family, have a good time, relax, and enjoy the thing. Is it? What you mean? Girl them selector, blouse and skirt. What go?
One father pool.
Father pool.
No joke.
That is it. What you mean? Massive look on the energy now man. Look now man. Look good now man. Ja no. Look good. Cheese and peace. Natural. Figure that. What you mean? So we're just going to kick it down at the falls and we're there. No joke, no doubt. Yeah, so you know we're there, we don't know what we're going on. We just going to capture a couple shots from the closing. We're going to see. But we're just there, enjoy ourselves. So all I massive them are watching the video thus far. Please my beg to subscribe. Like if you're not yet subscribed to again. You see me? Please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed and like the video. See? Drop a comment if you ever big up yourself before. Up in a garden town and them things. You see me? Look good. Look good. Yeah, so no joke, no doubt. Mad respect. You hear that? So I just show you what go on while we are enjoying ourselves, while we are have some fun for the closing of the video. Yeah. And that's all back a vibe, you see me? Respect to everybody who stay tuned and watch. We there and we outside. No joke. 1 million subscribers we are aiming for December. See? So please, if you watch this and you don't subscribe, please may I ask you to subscribe to the thing. See? Mad love, mad respect. Big up all my YouTube brethren them. You don't know Orient Freestyle, you don't know Orient Freestyle Adventure, you don't know Jason and Jana, you don't know Tina Lee, Good Vibes K, Jewel in the Kitchen. There's so much YouTube out there. Big up on yourself. As the video tours, but just I try to remember some of my head and things as I move along. Let me say, hold me a left out, hold me a left out. Donovan, big up yourself, Donovan McLeod. NW, big up yourself. You don't know Felicia, big up yourself. There's so many persons, so many supporters. Big up my partner in crime, Alexia, always, you see me? So, yeah, more time we just have to take time out and just big up for one another. You know what I mean? We could just blessings and love. So all I massive in the premiere, all I massive on TikTok, everywhere you're there. Mad love, mad respect. If I don't call any name, I just remember it off a tip of my head right now. You see me I say? So you don't know. Marvin Sinclair, big up yourself. There's so many, so much. Mad love, mad respect, we're outside. Stay tuned. See? That is it. Yeah, record, yeah. Yo, you don't know about them, cold water, you know.
Yeah, but just like you used to go, but just now, but just now, but they know. No, I'm a siren.
I'm just jumping.
Yeah, yeah, boom back. Guide you.
That's a picture.
No, we're going to catch up with the guy. Now, first thing I do, we use to never know what I'm saying. We recognize it. Anything else come on, brother. This is the real deal! Jamaica, bro! Jamaica, bro! That's what I'm telling that, bro! Realness! Realness! What is that Jamaica one by Rocky West? Real Jamaica!
Real, man. Prime time, boss.
Real massage, bro!
Yeah, man. Massage,
Yeah.
part of your lungs and body, you know?
Woo!
All
Ah!
parts.
Real fight!
It's all party. They
This
love
I
you.
like, bro! Yes! Yeah, me teach, remember, the link up the tour guide. See me I say, they can talk, tell them.
Yeah, man, at the prime time, boss. They, you know, the walker massive, you see it. Yeah, man, just link up on the neck, man. We dip on TikTok, man. Remember, you know, call for info, 777 50 68. You see it, prime time, boss. There, man. Come on, how are you, man? How is the place? You see it? have to worry about nothing on the field. You see it? You will see a boxers in there live in first. See it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That is it, man.
Stuff like stone. Imagine that. How you mean a check now? What do you man got up? Ready? What do you man got up? I need a one man.
I'm on TV, see, bro. See, so you don't have to worry about parking. You can come right up to the river, come park the people. You know, say vehicle safe. Can you see it there? Let me show you.
Whoa! I want to see how the man. Whoa! I think we are the first foot. You have to fight them though. Real, man, bro. Real. Real life, bro. Rich people, real rich. Can't do this stuff.
You know people that want to live. I never got to live.
Real life. Life in paradise.
Yo, what my boy would I say? Randy, what my boy would I say? King! Yeah! Outside minute! Outside minute! Some people are outside! They're inside! Yeah!
Yeah.
Mad respect everybody, man, I tell you. I don't even know how me look here now, but it's a vibe, bro. Peace and love to everybody, you understand? Mad love, mad respect. Garden Town with the water is just amazing. Amazing. It is just cool. I advise you though, once you fall and feel the water, just take on the water, straight into the water. Have some fun, enjoy the life. Life, nice, bro. So I do it for enough people who can't do it right now. So I say, yeah, have a good one. Mad love, mad respect to all. See?
That is it.
When I'm alone, I see Jack's face, thinking of a song that I can play. I wish I was home to be in Jack's place, but there's no need to worry, 'cause I'll be there someday. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, yes. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, yes. Looking around, I see a kind face, and on the used to be sidewalk is now his sleeping place. Love used to be empty space. I hope you can see it's a damn disgrace. So call me now Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, yes. Who shall live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, yes. Angola awaits us, yes. Nigeria awaits us, yes. Ethiopia awaits us, yeah. Oh, Mama Africa, yes, awaits us. Ooh, oh, I live in Africa, oh, Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, yes. I live in Africa, oh, Africa, yeah. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, yeah. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah.